Hello everyone, it is Superintendent Deidre Roemer with this week's update. A huge congratulations to our team at Rawson Elementary. They were featured in this month's Wisconsin School News, a magazine put out by the Wisconsin Association of School Boards. It features a story about the community project that they did last spring, a community breakfast that they hosted, and it features some really great work that our teachers were doing around our new ELA resource, Wit and Wisdom, and some real student-centered opportunities for our kids to get really involved on why what they learn in school each day matters and how we can use that to connect to our community. So there's copies of it online and you can check it out there. Or if you happen to get a copy of Wisconsin School News, we have a few in our district office if you wanted to check it out. The next thing coming up is our 4K open house. And so this year we're going to have our open houses at each one of our elementary schools. They are all on February 5th from 3:30 to 5:30. And so the one you want to go to is the one that you would be assigned to by neighborhood. And you can bring your registration materials with you that night. So if you bring birth certificate, proof of residency, those other items, then you'll be able to get your student enrolled in that school for 4K in the fall that evening. So please feel free to stop in if you have an upcoming 4-year-old for the new school year into your local elementary school on February 5th from 3:30 to 5:30. STEAM Night is also a huge community event for us, and that's coming up on February 12th from 5:30 to 7:30 right here at our high school. Our theme this year is Strengthened by STEAM Champions Through Math. So you'll see a lot of information around what we do for science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. As you come through, and different stations are hosted by our students, local community businesses come in and do some things, and we offer a free meal to our families that night, as well as a really nice raffle. So please, it's free to the public. Please come and check it out if you get the chance. Best of luck to Nikayla Washington, a 7th grader at the middle school, who is a finalist for the 2026 STEM Festival. She's submitting her 2-minute recording this weekend around her projects to identify where zebra mussels can thrive in Lake Michigan. She is one of 3 students in the state of Wisconsin to make it to the finals. So we wish her the best of luck in getting selected to head off to Washington, D.C. with her great ideas. We also had some student athletes who competed over the winter break, so congratulations to our girls basketball team who went 1-on-1 over the break and then also had the opportunity to play at Fiserv Forum. What a great time for our girls, and they really showed up and did a great job. And we had some wrestlers who competed in a huge wrestling tournament over the winter break, and we had quite a successful tournament with Drew Posing coming in 16th, Venus Coughlin coming in 8th, and Rusty Hamilton coming in 2nd, beating some big wrestlers across the state. So hopefully we'll continue to see some big things from our student athletes in the coming weeks. And then the last one is an honor that was received in a combination with the Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction and the Advanced Placement Board, and it is the Pace Setter Award. So we were honored with a Level 3 Pace Setter Award, which means that more than 10% of our students at our high school took an advanced placement course. And of those students who took the courses, 60% of the students got a 3 or higher on those exams. That is such an awesome feat of excellence for our students, and it comes from a lot of hard work from our students, support from our families, as well as a ton of work for our teachers. So we are really grateful to everybody to continuing opening up all of those opportunities for the students we get to serve every day. Have a great week.